doing?
Carry biscuit.
Basket.
Carry basket.
What is this girl doing?
Turkey knees.
Yes. What is this lady doing?
Feeding in.
Feeding?
Feeding in there.
Child.
Feeding child.
Yes. Okay, what is this boy doing?
Eating biscuit.
What is this girl, this baby doing?
Drink milk.
Drinking milk. What's this girl doing?
Brush hair.
Brushing
Hair.
hair. And what's this girl doing?
Carry bowl.
Yeah, and what about this lady? What's this lady doing?
Eating child.
Feeding.
Feeding child.
Good job. Okay, touch the slime.
Yes.
Okay, what is this lady doing?
Feeding child.
Child.
Feeding child.
Give me 10. Good job. Okay, what do you want to play with?
The blue.
I.
I want blue.
Blue.
I want blue. I want blue open.